Hi guys, I am Ujan and I'm going to discuss about topic energy change in chemical reaction. When this energy change happens, whenever a difference between the chemical energies of the reactants and the product, the energy change always happens. This energy can be in the form of heat, light, sound or any form of energy. Every substance has a fixed amount of stored potential energy which is in the form of potential energy and is referred to as chemical reaction or chemical energy. Depending upon the means chemical reaction of the energy, chemical reactions can be classified into two: exothermic and the endothermic. What is exothermic? A chemical reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic reaction. It gives out a rise in temperature. For example, whenever carbon burns in oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and a lot of heat produced. Another example, when water is added to calcium oxide or which is known as quicklime, a slaked lime is produced which is known as the calcium hydroxide and a lot of heat. Another example, which is whenever hydrogen is burnt in oxygen, water is formed and heat is released. 2H2 plus O2, he will give heat and will form 2H2O plus heat. Another, formation of nitrogen, means nitrogen react with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst, means finely divided iron at 45 and at 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius and above 200 atmosphere pressure. Here 1 atmosphere refers to 76 centimeter or 760 millimeter. Here N2 plus H2, N2 plus H2, we will give heat to NH3 plus heat. Means whenever nitrogen react with hydrogen in the presence of the catalyst, means iron, which is at 450 degree to 500 degrees Celsius and above the 200 under STP, which means standard means under, which is not in normal atmospheric pressure at 200 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere refers to 76 centimeter or 760 millimeter. And we will move on to endothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. This reaction can be sustained without supply of energy from an external source, means it causes a fall in temperature, because there is no supply of energy. Here one example is formation of carbon disulfide. What is carbon disulfide? Carbon disulfide, the chemical formula is CS2. Whenever carbon is heated, means carbon is heated with sulfur at very high temperature, it is formed CS2. We'll balance it to S. And whenever nitrogen and oxygen are heated together to a temperature about 3000 degrees Celsius, nitric oxide gas is formed. This is an endothermic reaction, means N2 plus O2 heat 3000 degrees Celsius to NO. Means this is known as the nitric oxide. And calcium carbonate decomposes into carbon dioxide and calcium oxide when it is heated under a temperature about 1000 degrees Celsius. CO3 is calcium carbonate or marble plus heat with what will form CaO plus CO2. CaO means calcium oxide, which is quicklime. Thank you for all of your support and please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.